Hi, I'm Dr. Marc Rothenberg here at Cincinnati Children's Hospital and the Cincinnati Center for Eosinophilic Diseases. I'm communicating with you today to encourage you to consider participating in clinical trial research. Because of research, there are now more medications and treatments emerging for these diseases, such as the recent FDA approval of dupilumab for eosinophilic esophagitis. This makes patients think that they can take some of these medications, perhaps off-label, in other words, using the medications for a non-FDA approved indication. We are particularly interested through research in determining whether or not these emerging medications are useful and safe for eosinophilic diseases. Only through research will we determine the true benefit of these medications and potentially get FDA approval for the right indications. While it's tempting to convince your doctors and to get your insurance companies to pay for these medications off-label, it's actually not without concern, at least to me. Through research, we can determine in the long run if these medications are in your best interest. Research also provides many other opportunities that I'd like to emphasize. One, you get access to some of the greatest doctors in the field. These doctors and their staff are typically available 24/7. Research for many of these studies is free. In fact, patients and their families can receive funds, not only for their time, but also for their travel. Also, patients are being treated with very careful observation that sometimes wouldn't be occurring in regular clinical practice. For example, if any particular side effect possibly is emerging, even a sniffle, the study physicians and staff want to know about this, and they're going to deeply investigate this. It's not only the local doctors, but it could be the team at large, including ultimately regulators like the FDA. And in some of the studies that we do, we partner with the NIH, which is the strongest body of expert researchers that supervises these studies. This typically would not happen with off-label indications, where it's just you working together with your doctor and or nurse. So I encourage you to think deeply about participating in research, and this not only will benefit potentially you as a patient or a family member, but also improve the field in the long run, which ultimately has impact on you and your loved ones. Thank you very much for your time today. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me or my staff. Have a nice day.